I'm at a customer's house right now. They said they wanted this. It's a Six's fan called Blizzard, which is a blatant ripoff to the Kenmore Severe Northwinds. Also, it's nice outside. To the Northwinds 52-inch, and they wanted this gone because it was in rough condition. You can see. They told me that the middle glass globe broke, so they had to replace. So they just took it off. And they also said they want it gone because it has a bearing noise. Yeah, it's making a bearing noise. See if I... Yeah, it's making a bearing noise. Because this fan is the same fan that's been here since the year of 1999, which was when this house was built. And this thing has been up here ever since 1999, which is when this house was built, which it's been remodeled a couple of times. And they're just moving out, so they said they want this thing gone so the next owner doesn't have to deal with it. And yeah, they said they just want it gone. They don't want to see it again. They said I should honestly just sell this fan to to a scrap yard because this thing's a piece of junk. And you can see it's the same thing with the Northwinds because it has like that. It's basically the same pattern as the Northwinds, but it's it's reversed. Which I like the design of the Northwinds. It's practical. Which, yeah, this isn't that practical. So, actually, it's just a blatant rip-off to the Northwinds. So, anyway, guys, we'll cut to when I have shut all the power off. Alright, so I have shut the power off. The power has been shut off. Actually, no, I just turned off the light switch. I'm not going to be turning it on, so I think I'll be okay. So the first thing we're going to move on, we're going to take these ugly shades off. So, yeah, we're going to take these shades off. We're just going to take our shades off. So now we're gonna send these to the junkyard, to the fan parts, because they're actually ugly. And when I mean fan parts, I mean delete them. Now I'm gonna take out these light bulbs, which I'm gonna do that off camera because you probably don't want to see me taking off 4 light bulbs. All right, so I've taken the light bulbs out. Oh crap! Let me take this one out. Oh god. Sorry. Keyboard was a little broken. Yeah, we can just pull it out. This fancy garbage. No one likes it. Somebody probably likes it, but I don't care. I really don't care about these because these are more of 1990. They're not really like an antique. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get this light kit off. Anyways, try to get it off. Oh, got it off. Got it off. Oh god. Oh god. You saw nothing. Anyways, let's get this. We're gonna take the blades off. Got the blades off. We take them. Oh, you saw nothing. All you saw is me putting the blade to the ground. So let's just take these blades off. Take all the blades off. Put them on the ground. Because no one. So now I'm gonna take the canopy off. So let's give us a second. All right, let's get this off. Come, there we go. So we're just gonna and then let me unwire the fan. The fan has been unwired. So we're gonna we are going to, give me a second. Alright, let's try to get it off. Yeah, there we go. And the fan is down. So let's just take it down. We're gonna put it right there. Actually, we'll lay it down on the side. Lay it down on the side. There we go. And now I'm gonna take this whatever. I'm gonna take this mounting bracket off, and now I'm gonna open up the new fan. The Kenmore Severe Northwinds ceiling fan. So let's open the box up. Let's open the box up. Let's take the foam off, and let's take all the other foam off. So yeah, there's the fan. Now I'm gonna have to ungroup everything. Alright, we're gonna put the new mounting bracket on. Put the mounting bracket right here. I'm pretty sure they're gonna enjoy this fan, because like when that other one was on, that thing was blowing barely any air. So now let me get the fan. Give me a second. Alright, we got the fan. We're gonna put this up. There we go. There we go. Oh, anyways, now I'm gonna do the one blade. Actually, no, I'll put the light kit on. Let's put the light kit on. The light kit, here's the globe. Let's put the light, oh crap. Sorry guys, give me a second. There we go. Now we're gonna put this light bulb on. Let's flip it. Let's take it. I'm gonna put the light bulb in the socket. Ah, stop! Put the light kit in. Light bulb in. There we go. Yeah, now let's get the light, we'll get the globe on. Why? Alright, we got the light kit. Oh my. I'm gonna put this light kit on. There we go. There we go. We got the light kit in. Now I'm gonna do the one blade, two blade move. One blade install. Two blade install. Three blades install. Five blade install. Meant for fifth blade installed. Alright, let's try. Here it is. That's the light. And the fan works. I'm pretty sure that this will make their day better with this beautiful thing, except instead of that disgusting and bad ceiling fan that was in here. This is better than the Six's fan called Blizzard ceiling fan. Kenmore Severe Blizzard. I mean, Northwinds. I'm gonna get a top view if I even can. Oh no. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later.